Okay, fellow Americans, I'm just going to say this. For all those naysayers out there that say ionic foot baths don't work, I don't think they really know what they're talking about. First of all, you got to understand you can plate metal with gold, can't you? Well, they run current through a brass spoon or a steel spoon or whatever, and they have like a negative here and a positive here. Well, they can plate, and all they do is they take gold and they run current through it, and then I think it's positive or negative, whatever. You can plate gold by sticking gold in a solution, running current through it, and it'll plate to a steel spoon, won't it? You can reverse plate too. You can take and reverse it, and guess what happens? You can pull that gold or silver right off that spoon. So ionic foot baths work exactly like that. People say it's rust, it's this, it's that, whatever. It works simply by pulling the stuff out. I'm actually taking one now. See this? This looks on your hand. We used to use things like this in electronics to, like if we were building something, first of all, you had to touch something metal to discharge a static. Otherwise, if you grab a capacitor or something like that, it'll zap that component. It'll be junk. We used to use these. We touch something metal and then put one of these on, and that keeps it from building up static. Well, this right here is to complete the circuit. This is where basically what this coil does is it pulls this stuff out of your body, and it works the same way as plating. I'm going to show you this. I'm sitting in one right now, and I don't have clothes on, so I'm going to go away from my body so I'm not, But see this water? There's white and all kinds of stuff. That's from your lymphatic system. This is the coil, see? And I took that coil when I got it, and I have a rare earth magnet. Well, it's not magnetic because I put a rare earth magnet and it don't stick. And sure, you pick it out sometimes and it appears there's rust on it or something like that. Put it in vinegar, straight white vinegar, and watch all that stuff come out. Well, I can tell you what, it's not magnetic. So if it's not magnetic, it can't rust. So ionic foot baths are just fine for pulling toxins out of your body because that's what they do. There's a color chart I seen, like green is cleaning this, and one of them is you see black flecks, and I've actually found them. That's heavy metal. I found one floating around, and I picked it up, and it crumbled just like charcoal or something. And the water was clean when I put it in. And, you can use distilled water. You don't want to use well water or anything like it because that's got iron in it, you see. So if you use distilled water or anything like that, it's still going to pull stuff out of your body. If you're drinking well water, you know what's in well water. It's got that stinky smell. Well, that's sulfur and this high iron. I'm going to tell you what, you get too much iron, it'll kill you. So with that, just think about that, ladies and gentlemen. Ionic foot baths do work. Try to get you a good one. The one I got was Chinese. The electronics in it are fine, but I might go to a better coil. I might go to a higher quality coil, but it works. I just don't know how long the coil's gonna last. But check your coil by taking a rare earth magnet and sticking it on it. Some of them, if they're steel, if it sticks, I wouldn't use that. Some of them, they say some of them are copper-coated stainless or stainless-coated copper. Whatever, those two non-magnetic stainless is, you can't stick a magnet to it. But magnetic stainless, like I use on some of these refrigerators, now that's magnetic stainless. Metals, there's different hardnesses. How many different metals we got? Stainless, cold roll, hot roll, brass, gold, silver, copper. Look at all the metals. Hardnesses and everything. Some are magnetic, some aren't. Thanks, folks. Thanks, fellow Americans. Bye.